Are you that guy who women like in the beginning but then they lose interest? Well, I'm gonna help you. This video is how to make a girl be curious about you. So this happened to me at the grocery store 2 days ago. I saw an attractive guy. Well, he was wearing a mask, but his eyes were nice and he was tall and in a muscular frame. And I thought he was cute and we made eye contact. And then I continued to pick my mangoes. Suddenly he came up to me after 10 minutes, kept 6 feet distance and started talking. I was happy at first. But then I realized he was not leaving. He just kept talking and asking questions and never leaving. Suddenly I felt trapped. Does he have no intention of leaving me? Am I now shopping with him? So even though I initially found him attractive, I just wanted to make an excuse and get out of there. I wanted to continue shopping by myself. Finally, I made an excuse and then he asked for my number and then I didn't want to give it to him, so I didn't give it to him, even though I initially found this guy attractive. Guys, I encourage you to learn from this story. Yes, go up to women, talk to them, it's nice, but then leave. Go talk to your friends, walk away, do your thing. Not too far away, but somewhere where she can see you. Now, if this guy had walked away and continued to do his shopping, that would have raised my curiosity. I would think, oh, he didn't ask for my number. You need to leave the ball in the girl's court. Now, if she's attracted to you, she will make an excuse and start talking to you. Let her do a little work. Now, when she does that little work, that makes her feel that you are high value, and that will make her more interested. If she comes back, talk to her, engage with her, but don't look like you have nothing else to do. I want to tell you, this is not about playing games. This is about not being annoying and being too available. Question: